everyone, today I will be unboxing the OnePlus 12 in black color, which was recently launched and it's set to release in the UK on 23rd of January. It features a fast refresh rate 2K OLED display, a Flagship processor, stunning in design, fast charging and host of the other features. In this video, I will be highlighting the upgrades and enhancement in the OnePlus 12. I have already uploaded a detailed review of the OnePlus 12, so if you haven't checked it out yet, you can find in the link description below. Let's dive in OnePlus 12's new feature video. This is the first generation phone from the OnePlus launched 10 years ago. Yes folks, it's been a complete decade since the OnePlus introduced its inaugural phone. And here we have the OnePlus 12, which was launched just 2 days ago. Apart from the OnePlus 12 brand logo, everything has changed between these two phones. The OnePlus 12 is a flagship phone available in the black color and is slightly oversized. It offers the option of 24GB of RAM and 1TB of storage, which are the highest specification available in the mobile phone industries. The size of the OnePlus 12 is larger than the OnePlus 11, which might make it a bit challenging to hold with a single hand. Due to its slightly bigger size, the phone showcases a shiny back with the reflection from the light, and it features the metal frame with a glass back. The Hasselblad logo on the back only has the letter H printed on it. You can check out the camera samples here. This time the camera capture speed is notably faster. When holding the phone horizontally, your finger will naturally rest just below the camera module. The OnePlus 12 can run the King of Glory on the highest setting because it's equipped with the Flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Now the OnePlus 12 offers the brightest of the 4500 nits display, providing excellent visibility even in the bright sunlight. It runs on ColorOS 14, which is based on the Android 14. Although there are nominal changes in the new OS, the phone is powered by 5400 mAh battery. The OnePlus 12 supports 100W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. With the 100W charger, the battery can go from 0 to 100% in just 27 minutes. The phone boasts a stunning design and also features the 3-stage slider button. There is not much time left for its launch in the UK on January 23rd, and you can find the detailed review link in the description section, so make sure to check it out. Hey friends, what do you think about the OnePlus 12? Which features impressed you the most? At what price do you think it should launch in the UK? Please share your thought in the comment section below. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friend. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.